Hey there, future cruisers. If you're planning your first cruise, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share some essential tips and hacks to ensure you have a smooth and enjoyable experience on your maiden voyage. We'll cover everything from pre-cruise preparation to money-saving hacks and more. Let's get started. First things first, research and choose the cruise line that best fits your interests and needs. Different cruise lines cater to different types of travelers, whether you're looking for family fun, luxury experiences, or adventure. Booking early often comes with discounts and better cabin choices. It also gives you ample time to plan and prepare for your trip. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates, and check if you need visas for any destinations. This step is crucial to avoid any last-minute hassles. Pack essentials like sunscreen, seasickness remedies, a power strip for all your gadgets, and formal wear if required. Also, pack a carry-on with necessities for the first day, just in case your luggage is delayed. Once you're on board, take some time to explore the ship. Familiarize yourself with the layout to avoid getting lost and to make the most of the amenities available. The muster drill is mandatory and crucial for your safety. Pay attention to the instructions so you know what to do in case of an emergency. Book specialty dining, shows, and excursions as soon as possible. Reservations fill up quickly, and you don't want to miss out on any experiences. Use the ship's app to stay informed about daily activities and events. It's a handy tool to plan your day and not miss out on anything fun. If you plan to drink a lot of sodas or alcohol, a beverage package can save you money. Compare the package options and choose the one that suits your needs. Many delicious dining options are included in your fare. Take advantage of these to save money on food. Shipboard internet can be expensive. Download entertainment and work offline when possible to avoid hefty charges. Drink plenty of water to avoid dehydration, especially if you're spending a lot of time in the sun or indulging in cocktails. Keep germs at bay by using hand sanitizer frequently, especially before meals and after touching shared surfaces. Protect yourself against unforeseen circumstances like medical emergencies or trip cancellations by purchasing travel insurance. It's better to be safe than sorry. Research and compare prices between the ship's excursions and independent providers. Many times, you can find better deals and more unique experiences using an independent travel advisor. Always return to the ship on time to avoid being left behind. The ship will not wait for late passengers, so set an alarm if needed. Decorating your cabin door can help you easily locate your room and adds a personal touch to your space. Stay hydrated and reduce waste by bringing a reusable water bottle. Many ships have water stations where you can refill. Engage with experienced cruisers on forums and social media groups. You can get valuable tips, advice, and even make new friends before your trip. Finally, take time to relax and enjoy the unique experience of cruising. Whether it's lounging by the pool, exploring new destinations, or indulging in gourmet meals, make the most of your journey. That's it for my ultimate tips and hacks for first-time cruisers. I hope these tips help you navigate your trip with ease and make the most of your cruise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Bon voyage!